Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on sequence and series. Today we are going to solve a fascinating problem, finding the sum of n terms of sequences 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and so on. This is a beautiful problem that combines geometric series, number pattern, and algebraic manipulation. Let's to solve it. Yeah, we done. Here is our problem statement. We need to find the sum of the first n term of this sequence. Each term is a number consisting of repeated fives. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and so on. We are looking for a closed form formula for Sn, which is the sum of these n terms. A closed form formula means we can compute the sum directly for any n without having to add all the term individually. So, the general term, write the k term in the combined form ak equals to 555 k times. We know that 555 k times equals to 5 multiply k times 1. So 1 k times equals to 10 to the k minus 1 over 9. Therefore, we can write the general term a at k equals to 5 over 9 multiplied 10 to the k minus 1. Sum the general term for k from 1 to n equals to Sn equals to sum a at k from 1 to n equals to k from 1 to n 5 over 9 multiplied 10 to the k minus 1. Factor out the constant 5 over 9. So Sn equals to 5 over 9 multiply sum t from 1 to n 10 to the k minus sum come from 1 to n 1. So we know that sum t from 1 to n 10 to the k equal to 10 plus 10 to the 2 plus so on 10 to the n equal to 10 multiply 10 to the n minus 1 divided by 9. And we know also sum 1 k from 1 to n equal to n. And after the substitution back, Sn equals to 5 over 9 multiply 10 to the n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n. The closed form formula is Sn equal to 50 multiply 10 to the n minus 1 divided by 81 minus 5n over 9. Both forms are equivalent, but the last one is simpler. To verify the solution, check with an example. For n equals to 3, we have the SC is equal to 5 plus 55 plus 555 equals to 615. Using the formula, we calculate the summation. The SC equal to 5 over 9 multiply 10 to the 3 minus 1 over 9 minus 3 equals to 5 over 9 multiply 10 multiply 999 over 9 minus 3 equal to 5 over 9 multiply 1110 minus 3 equals to 5 over 9 multiply 1107 equals to 615. But results are the same. So we can see that the solution is verified. Although there is another approach using the geometric series directly. Sn equals to 5 multiply 1 plus 11 plus 100, 11 plus 1, and 1, and so on. Equals to 5 summation of k from 1 to n 10 to the k minus 1 divided by 9 equals to 5 over 9 multiply sum k from 1 to n 10 to the k minus n equal to 5 over 9 multiply 10 to the n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n. And the same result, but apples have the same result. But here, the second one is simpler derivation. Here we can see the summary of solution. The sequence is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and so on. The general term is AAK equals to 5 over 9 multiply 10 to the k minus 1. And sum of first enters equal to Sn equal to sum k from 1 to n. AAK equal to 5 over 9 multiply 10 to the n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n, or equivalently Sn equal to 15 multiply 10 to the n minus 1 over 81 minus 5 and over 9. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.